Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Claude to Roblox Studio. Before we begin, make sure you have both Roblox Studio and Claude AI installed on your computer. First, open Roblox Studio and load your project. I will be creating a new experience for this tutorial. Once it's loaded, click the AI Assistant icon. Then in the Assistant panel, click the three dots and select MCP Server. Next, click Setup Instruction and copy the configuration code. Also enable MCP Server. After that, close the window and minimize Roblox Studio. Now open the Claude Desktop app and go to Settings. Then open the Developer section and click Edit Config. Then a folder will open, so right-click the config file and open it with Notepad. Then select all the text and paste the configuration code you copied from Roblox Studio. After that, save the file. Then close the folder and completely exit Claude. Make sure to close it from the system tray as well. Now reopen Claude and go back to the developer section. Now you should see new server is running. Finally, return to Roblox Studio and you will see that Claude Desktop is connected successfully. That's it. I hope this video helped you. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.